Hey everybody! In this video, we will learn how to sign each of the high frequency words for Unit 2, Week 1 of our Wonders reading program. Okay, so the first word is again. The sign for again is, okay, so you're going to put one hand out like this and you're going to take the other and then make like a cupping hand and then move it over to your palm like this. Okay, so do that with me. And let's say it and sign it again. All right, the next word is help. The sign for help is, okay, so you're going to put your palm out and take your other hand with a thumbs up, put it in your palm, and then push up like this. Okay, so do that with me. And let's say it and sign it. Help. This is the word new. Okay, the sign for new is, okay, so you're going to put one hand out like this and kind of make like a cupping motion, like that. Okay, so do that with me. And say it and sign it, new. All right, this is the word there. Okay, the sign for there is, so you're just going to point. Okay, so if you're talking and trying to explain where something was, you would point to it, say there. Okay, so do that with me. And say it and sign it, there. All right, and this is the word use. Okay, the sign for use is, so you're going to make a U with this hand and then make a circle. Okay, do that with me. And say it and sign it, use. All right, let's go over each of those words. We're going to say and sign each one. Okay, again, help, new, there, use. All right, good job.